If you want to know how to lock screen in AnyDesk or how to hide your activity while remotely controlling another computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods. First, how to use privacy mode to keep the remote screen hidden during your session. And second, how to make the remote computer lock automatically when the session ends. This is especially useful if you're working in an office, helping a client or accessing a computer in a shared space. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get started. First, let's look at the privacy method. When you are already connected to a remote computer in AnyDesk, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the screen icon, which may also appear as a monitor or permissions icon. Click on that to open the display and session controls. From there, select Enable Privacy Mode. Once you turn this on, AnyDesk will block inputs and disable the remote display. In simple terms, the person sitting at the remote computer will see a black screen while you continue working remotely. This is a great option when you need privacy and don't want someone nearby watching your actions. Now keep in mind that this feature is meant for active sessions, so you need to be connected first before enabling it. After selecting privacy mode, give it a moment to activate. Once it's on, continue using the remote system normally from your side. If at any time you need to stop hiding the display, just return to the same screen or permissions menu and turn privacy mode off. Next, let's go through the second method, which is locking the remote computer automatically after you disconnect. This is useful if you want to make sure nobody can walk up and use the machine after your session ends. To do this, open AnyDesk on the remote machine itself and go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Permissions. In this section, look for the Unlock option and click on it if needed so you can edit the permission settings. After that, find the checkbox labeled Lock Remote Account on Session End. Turn that option on. This tells AnyDesk to lock the user account automatically as soon as your remote session ends. It adds an extra layer of security, especially when you're working on someone else's computer or on a device in a public or shared environment. Once this setting is saved, you don't have to worry about leaving the remote machine unlocked after disconnecting. So just to recap, if you want the screen hidden while you are actively connected, use Enable Privacy Mode from the AnyDesk toolbar. If you want the remote computer to lock itself after you finish, go into Settings, open Permissions, and enable Lock Remote Account on Session End. Together, these two methods help you work more securely and more privately with AnyDesk. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. And if you want, check out the next video for even more AnyDesk tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.